Hello everyone, Ben here for Giant Loop. Today I want to share a little bit about our Go Light Touring Kit. Giant Loop's motorcycle soft luggage kits are a great place to start if you're not sure what's recommended for your motorcycle and riding needs, or if you want to save a little money by buying all the pieces of your setup all at once. The Go Light Touring Kit is designed for adventure, dual sport, scrambler, naked, and standard motorcycles with passenger foot pegs. No pannier racks of any kind are required to use this setup, and it's a fantastic all-inclusive option for anyone who wants to get out on overnight or multi-day self-supported trips. This kit includes our Fandango Tank Bag, our Great Basin Saddlebag, and our Tillamook Dry Bag. This gives you a total of 134 liters of packable volume. This makes for a modular, fully waterproof setup for carrying all of your camping and other gear deep into the backcountry, all while staying out of your way and allowing you to ride fast and far in comfort and with confidence, even on technical terrain or steep hill climbs. Let's take a look at the individual pieces of the kit. First, the recently redesigned Fandango Tank Bag. Redesigned for 2021 with an emphasis on increasing waterproofness, the new Fandango maintains its many rider-friendly features, including a low-profile shape that stays out of the way, a pliable yet rugged structure, and quick, easy access to fuel fills, plus an additional 2 liters of packable space versus its smaller cousin, the Diablo Tank Bag. The new Fandango Tank Bag is a sleek, bulletproof, waterproof, adventure-ready tank bag for those who want to ride fast and far with zero distractions. The Fandango offers 8 liters of packable volume and keeps your essentials handy without interfering with body position, whether seated or standing on the foot pegs. This tank bag mounts over your fuel cap and has a concave shape that allows air vents to breathe. For fill-ups, just zip it and flip it. Made of our rugged bombshell-coated fabric with hybrid RF welded and sewn construction, the Fandango is designed to be completely mud, water, snow, and dust-proof when used with the included tank bag dry pod. Internal zipper pockets, a movable divider, and exterior mesh pocket help you stay organized, and the easy access RF welded waterproof clear map/smartphone lid pocket with electronics cable pass-through enables on-bike charging and power inside the bag. Want to take your valuables with you when you're away from the bike? The Fandango quickly and easily unzips from the harness so you can take it with you wherever you go. The Fandango's universal design and 3-point mounting system fit virtually any motorcycle. Next, the Giant Loop Great Basin Saddlebag. The Great Basin is Giant Loop's largest capacity rackless saddlebag, with 68 liters of gear storage situated right where the passenger would sit on the motorcycle. With its 6-pound dry weight, including all components, secure mount anchor system, and super tough bombshell construction and materials, the Great Basin epitomizes our Go Light, Go Fast, Go Far motto. The remarkably versatile Great Basin fits virtually any motorcycle designed to carry a passenger, mounting on the passenger seat and anchoring to the passenger foot pegs. When you buy the Great Basin, it includes our Hot Springs heat shield to use anywhere that the bag might come into contact with exhaust components, and a set of 3 RF welded waterproof inner liner saddlebag dry pods for fully waterproof gear storage. Upon arriving at your destination, the dry bags can be removed and taken to your campsite or hotel room, leaving the saddlebag attached to the motorcycle. The coolest thing about these bags, in my opinion, is that no side luggage racks or saddlebag stays, any modifications to the bike whatsoever are required to use the Great Basin. The Great Basin is also designed to work with our quick loop security cable for extra security and peace of mind when leaving your gear on the bike. Mounting the Great Basin is quick and easy. Simply secure the included rear anchor straps to the rear of the bike or a tail rack, run the front straps around your rear passenger peg mounts, tighten, and ride. The Great Basin Saddlebag is designed to allow you to go light, go fast, and go far by carrying your gear where the passenger usually sits on the motorcycle. When not in use, simply unstrap and remove the saddlebag to return your bike to its stock setup. The third and final component of the Go Light Touring Kit is the Tillamook Dry Bag. The Tillamook Dry Bag is an expedition-sized roll-top dry bag with an integrated anchor strap system, ideal for an array of vehicle-based adventures. It features 48 liters of waterproof storage and seamlessly pairs with the Great Basin Saddlebag. Openings on both ends mean quick and easy access without having to unstrap from saddlebags, panniers, or remove from a rack. The handy air purge valve allows compact compression of gear and bag when packing. The Tillamook is also perfect for fly and ride trips because it fits easily in an overhead compartment on an airplane. The Tillamook can be mounted to your bike in several ways, including strapping it to the Great Basin using the reflective daisy chain lashing straps on the rear, or by using the 4 integrated anchor straps. When off the bike, the 2 included carry straps convert the Tillamook into a backpack for easy transport. With its rubber molded carry handles, D-ring anchors for attaching shoulder straps, and multiple lash points, the Tillamook is a feature-rich, rider-friendly packing solution for motorcycles, UTVs, ATVs, snowmobiles, and more, and it is an integral part of our Go Light touring kit. The Fandango Tank Bag, Great Basin Saddlebag, and Tillamook Dry Bag combine to form one of the most versatile, highest capacity, and most rugged motorcycle soft luggage setups out there. With the Go Light touring kit, you're prepared for any kind of motorcycle adventure, from a quick out and back overnight camping trip to a multi-day or week expedition deep into uncharted territory. If you're looking to maximize carrying capacity without adding bulky, heavy pannier racks to your motorcycle, this is the kit for you. More info on the Go Light touring kit and each individual component can be found at giantloopmoto.com, link in the description. Not sure what's right for your bike or what luggage options will work best? You can always use the Chat Now feature on giantloopmoto.com to be connected with a gear guru in real time. They'll be happy to answer your questions and walk you through setup and options for your motorcycle. All Giant Loop products are backed by our limited lifetime warranty, and all orders from giantloopmoto.com over $75 shipped for free. So if you order this kit, you're getting free shipping. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more gear overviews, fitment videos, and other fun content. And don't forget that all YouTube subscribers save 10% with promo code SUBSCRIBER. Thank you for watching. Go light, go fast, go far with Giant Loop.